I am Roberto Pérez, and I'm going to present to you my project called Online Audio Editor in Freesound, which I developed as my final master degree project in Universidad Pompeu Fabra, and supervised by Frederic. First of all, I am going to introduce myself. I am Roberto Pérez Sánchez. I am 24 years old and I am from Gijón, Asturias, in Spain. I graduated as a software engineer in Universidad Oviedo in 2019, and then I studied a sound and music computing master degree in Universidad Pompeu Fabra. And nowadays I work as a data collection engineer in Merkel, Spain. I'm going to talk about some state of the art regarding Freesound, the Webaudio API, and some existing editors. Then I'm going to explain the project methodology used here, such as the implementation and the evaluation methods used, some screenshot of the final product, and the conclusions and future work. Regarding Freesound, it's a website developed by Universitat Pompeu Fabra, where users can upload sound samples in order to other users to use them in their works. It has more than 8 million users and 400,000 sounds uploaded. But the 89% of the users have never contributed to the site uploading sounds. Some new features are being implemented in order to engage users to contribute to the website. One of them being the creation of this new editor embedded in the site. So the research question for this project would be how an easy-to-use, maintainable, and efficient audio editor embedded in the Freesound website could be developed. The Webaudio API was created in 2011 and is the primary technology used for the development of this project. It is usually wrapped into other frameworks like the one used here, that is Wavesurfer JS, and this editor will add value to the Freesound page over its competitors, because none of them has a Webaudio editor embedded in the site. Some of the existing editors nowadays are, for example, the standalone applications as Audacity, Ocean Audio, or Twisted Wave, and other one embedded in the web, such as Wave, Audio Mash, or also Twisted Wave. The project methodology used here, it was implemented using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with Wavesurfer being the main framework used. And all the code for this project is available in my GitHub profile, where you can find it there in this link. The two evaluation methods used are a usability questionnaire and some user cases evaluation. The usability questionnaire was developed in the first version of the editor in order to gather feedback and opinions about it, and in order to improve the first version of the editor. Then, with the second version, user cases evaluation was developed in order to correct all the implementation and behavior of all the functionalities of the editor. So, the final product looks something like this. It has 3 sections, like the actions with the playback options, deleting and zooming in and out, and exporting the final wave of the sound. Then the waveform timeline, where you can select the parts that you want to edit, and then an EQ panel in order to add filters like low pass, band pass, and high pass, and 3 different effects in order to change the gain of the sample, fading in and fading out, and changing the playback rate. And this is how the editor will look in the Freesound page. You can also access a standalone version of the editor in order to test its functionalities. It's available in this link. And for the conclusions of this project, this editor will add a lot of value to Freesound over its competitors. Will also simplify the edition workflow of the users, because all the functionality is in the same page. It has a friendly and easy to use interface in order to experienced users to use it easily. And it is compatible with all modern web browsers and has open source code, so everyone could contribute to it in GitHub. And finally, some future work that could be implemented in this editor is to add more advanced editing features, such as more different filters and parameters to them. And also would be really helpful in order to use the editor not only to download and edit an edited sample, but also to be able to edit the sample prior to its upload to the website. And that's all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.